Hello guys, welcome to Commerce Data online classes. There is a one quick update which is released on 31st/7/2020 from the UGC. Let us go to that update, which is the most important update regard to the fellowship of the minority students. Look at here in the notices of the UGC website, you can see on 31st/7/2020 dated one notice is there, that is result of the Maulana Azad National Fellowship for minority students 1920 academic year. Look at, out of which they have given three type of list. One is notification of the result, second provision list of the selected candidates, and the guidelines of the scheme. Let us look at one by one. Most important, see, previously also we updated about NFOBC fellowship. At that time some people didn't look into the they didn't check their roll number in the list given, so they lost the early admission into the PhD courses. So I'm requesting everyone, if at all you are a minority student, kindly if you are attempted any of the UGC NET June 2019 or December 2019, kindly check your roll number in this PDF. The PDF, three PDFs, the link also I will be providing in the description. From that you can download the PDF also. See, first notification which is given by the UGC on 31/7/2020. This is for the award of the Maulana Azad National Fellowship for the minority students. Exclusively this is a minority student, but this selection of the fellowship is done on the basis of June 2019 and December 2019. Two cycles UGC NET results based on that. UGC NET as well as CSR NET JRF examination. Based on that only this merit list of the minority students have been drawn. So these minority students eligible for that fellowship. Look at here. As per the selection procedure of the Ministry of Minority Affairs, the candidates have been shortlisted among the candidates who have qualified in UGC NET in the June and December 19 at a National Eligibility Test Assistant Professor and NTA on behalf of UGC, and as well as joint CSIR UGC NET in the June as well as December 19 also. It may be noted that e-certificates of the eligibility of assistant professors already given in the NTA website. Now the list of this fellowship, which is Maulana Azad National Fellowship for the selection of the 1920 both cycles, is attached in this PDF, which is in the UGC website itself, whose roll numbers are given in the list of to receive the eligible fellowship for pursuing the research leading to the award of MPhil or PhD as per the guidelines of the scheme and terms. The guidelines also attached over here. You can look at guidelines of the scheme also, which is given. I will attach this link. You can download 3 PDF and verify at your end. Now how to download the awardee letter of the minority fellowship? Look at here. If you have qualified, if you are there in the second list, if you are there in this list which is provisional list of seconded, your roll number is there, then how to download the e-certificate of the awardee letter? Candidates whose roll numbers are given in the attached list may check their result on the website of UGC NET online.in. This is the official website where you can download the awardee letter. Or else fellowship results also will be available. The candidates who want to avail their fellowship pursuing a research through a regular mode, they can download their award letter from this website only, which is very clear, because this is the regular question that everyone is asking in the comment box also. I want to make it clear. Just go through with this website, then you will be opening like this. Here you can see National Fellowship for the scheduled and National Fellowship for the OBC candidates. Here National Fellowship for the SCs. In that only after 2 to 3 days or after 10 days our minority fellowship details also will be listed like this. Then you can verify your result at your end. Right now this is a total thing that is given, and a remaining thing that you can look at, but most important date that you need to save is fellowship will be payable from the declaration of the result of UGC NET. That means it is a retrospective effect they are going to avail the fellowship. Look at here, CSIR UGC NET results have been declared or from the actual date of the joining of PhD, whichever is later. Your declaration of the UGC NET or CSIR NET results, or else your actual date of joining into the MPhil or PhD program, which occurs later, that will be considered. Suppose if the candidate has already taken admission MPhil or a PhD, regular or full time, UGC recognized university or institution, then his roll number given in the list, he should apply for the fellowship before 30/9/2020, because after that your fellowship will get invalid. If any person already doing a PhD or MPhil, for them only this date. Other person, your date of result or else you are joining into the PhD will be considered. Whichever is later will be considered as a date of crediting or starting of the fellowship, I can say. Now the list which is mentioned here, you can look at list of provisional selected candidates MANF. Then these are the total list. The candidate whose roll numbers are displayed below have been selected for the award of the fellowship through UGC NET and joint CSIR NET held in the June 19 as well as December 9, 2 cycles. This is under the Maulana Azad National Fellowship Minority Student Scheme. Now total list through UGC NET held in June 19, 469 candidates have been selected, and these are the roll numbers of 469. And through joint CSIR held in the June 19, 131 candidates have been selected. Their roll numbers as follows. And through UGC NET held in December 19, 526 have been selected. You can see the numbers. Just make sure that you are checking each and every rule number, because if you don't know whether you are falling under this fellowship or not, just check it out. If you are a minority student, just check it out once. Next, look at through joint CSIR UGC NET held in the December 2019, 125 candidates have been selected for this fellowship. Now there is a precautionary steps which is given in the below of the guidelines. That is nothing much important, just informatory only. Now what are the guidelines of this scheme? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad National Fellowship for Minority Student Guidelines. If you can look at total how much, I will be going through with the important only. Look at here, the objective is to fellowship or promote the minority students for the research field. Second one is eligibility. He or she should belong to the minority community as per the Minorities Act 1992, right? He should be a minority as per the act. You should have that certificate. And prior to clearance of the UGC NET or joint CSIR NET, examination will be prerequisite for award of Maulana Azad National Fellowship Minority Students for MPhil or PhD. Next, the most important guideline is such candidates, minority community students who are already secured admission, qualify UGC NET, will be given preference. Such candidates will be required to join the fellowship within 3 months of the JRF awardee letter. That means within 3 months you need to join in the PhD program. Now after that, how to select, or how the mode of selection of this list, total list. Total number of slots available for award of the fellowship scheme is 1000 per year. It is inclusive of both NET as well as CSIR NET and UGC NET. Out of 1000 slots, 750 allotted for the NTA NET JRF of UGC, remaining 250 for the science, that is CSIR NET. 1750 for UGC NET and 250 for CSIR NET. 30% of the fellowship shall be earmarked for the women students. That means only 70% for the general and 30% reserved exclusively for the, out of 1000, 30% means 300 women only, remaining 70% both women as well as men, which is general. The reservation of the scholars at a national level will be done on a pro rata population. That means according to the proportion they will be. Now look at here, duration of the fellowship. Fellowship you will be, if you are pursuing a MPhil, that is 2 years. 2 years you will get a JRF, because there is no other 3 years, only 2 years program. Now you will get 2 years. If you are a PhD, which is 5 years, 2 years plus remaining 3 years also you will get a JRF and SRF later. MPhil and PhD, 2 years as a JRF, remaining 3 years as a SRF you will get. But PhD, if you are going to do 5 years now, then 2 plus 3 you will get. If you did MPhil and PhD, then that also maximum 5 years. Rate of fellowship, at what rate? It is same as applicable for the UGC NET only. Look at here, fellowship in science humanities 31,000 and engineering 35,000. Contingency for humanity and social sciences 10,000 per annum will be given. These are the per month, 35,000 per month for the engineering and technology. Here contingency fund 10,000, initial 2 years, 20,500 for remaining 3 years. And here science contingency fund is 12,000 and 25,000 for remaining 3 years. Escorts or reader assistant 2,000 per month in case of physically or visually handicapped candidate. These are the things that are there in the Maulana Abul Kalam most important update. Kindly make a note of it. If you are not a minority student, kindly share with the minority students who are your friends, so that they will get benefited. If they have their name there in the list now, then it will be very much helpful, because equal amount of the JRF. I hope you like the information that I gave. Now subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.